Hi everyone, my name is Connor. I'm a technician and service writer at the Path Bike Shop. This is my 2021 Nomad. It's a pretty off-the-shelf build, just kind of getting started with it. It's the CC X01 in a size large in the oxblood color. Super cool color because it's kind of a clear coat so you can see the carbon underneath. I think it's one of the Santa Cruz's better color designs this year. I haven't done much changes. The main, I've done 1-Up's carbon bars, a 20 mil rise, and a Riesel design carbon donut cap. Other than that, it's a pretty awesome bike. Super plush, super responsive. The 38 super stiff fork. Handles great going down, and being a 170 bike, it climbs great. And yeah, it's my new steed for now.